Hey guys, if you receive monthly SSI or SSDI benefits, claiming your $2,000 stimulus check is much easier than you think. I'm going to pull up my screen and show you the exact 5-minute form you need to fill out today. No fluff, no complicated government jargon. Let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is open your browser on your device. I'll be using Safari. You can use any browser, really works. And what you want to type in is myaidcampus.com/stimulus. myaidcampus.com/stimulus and just search that. Now it might take a few seconds to load, so just let it load and you will get to this site here. Now you can kind of take a look around here, read through the information here. But the very next step you need to do here is hit the check eligibility now button, so do that. Once that is loaded up, you will get to a site that looks like this. You also make sure you actually do this on your phone, because it doesn't work when you fill this on a desktop, so on a PC, laptop, whatever, use your phone. So what you need to do here is, it's pretty obvious, you need to fill out your personal information. Now make sure all the personal information you fill here is accurate, is correct, is yours, because this is a site that will search for all the eligible programs you might be, entitled to receive, any relief packages, stimulus checks, everything like that. So they have to know exactly who you are. They have to know, all this information about you, so they can connect you with the correct programs you are eligible for. Okay, so make sure this information is correct. Then select this and click continue. Here you can see what you will receive. So obviously now I'm going to fill this out, and I will check in with you guys when I fill this, because obviously I don't want to leak my personal information. Okay, I'll see you then. Nice. So after you fill your personal information, there might be a quick survey. So just go quickly through the survey as well. Again, it's a survey that is gonna help you or help them and connect you with the best programs you are truly eligible for. And then you will get to a site like this, and here you will see all the programs you are eligible for. So just you can click any one of them, read through it, and of course there's a button, so just click apply now. It will take you directly to the government site where you can apply. You have here the benefits, requirements, documents you'll need to apply. So yeah, that's that. There's always the estimated benefit, so you can exactly see how much you can receive from this exact relief package. What's the application time? So yeah, it pretty much a site that summarizes all the programs you might be eligible for. So here on this side, just choose one of the relief packages, stimulus checks, apply to one of them and see if it's gonna work for you. So yeah, now I'm just gonna choose one of them, apply, wait a couple of days, and wait for the payment, and I'll check in with you guys when the payment will arrive. Okay. Hey guys, look at that. I just got the payout. So it's been a couple of days since the last update. I just chose one of the relief packages, applied. It took a few days for them to process my application and send the payment, but yeah, the payment came through successfully. So there wasn't really any issues, Okay, I think that's it for this video. So if you enjoyed it, and if you have any further questions, feel free to drop a comment below this video, and please like and share this video so it will help more people, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one.